from Sudbury south to a campground. And yesterday I spent one day in a tent because it was raining the whole day. And today finally the sun get out. But in the morning I had a flat tire. And then I had to repair that, and now I will go further on. First I went to 69 south, and now I went on a road I don't know the name. Like the horse I have no name on, I don't know the name of the horse I'm riding on. And further on to some other roads a little bit outside, and I'm back to the 17. I was on the 537 and just some case before the 17 there was a dump truck that fell into the ditch, and they needed about 1 hour to get that thing out, and now I'm back on the 17th in direction North Bay. In Ontario, Canada, I reached 47,000! On July the 7th, the Solatrike reaches 47,000 kilometers! Because it's July, and on the 64, and now I'm going all the way back because I will go on the north shore of Nipissing Lake to North Bay. I'm glad that I'm out of this camp place because it was infected by mosquitoes, and so now I took another road Leclerc, that brings me along farmhouses, and it's a little bit outside of road 17, so I don't have to ride all the way on the 17. Good morning, folks! I just left North Bay, where I could stay at some nice warm showers host, and now I'm back on the number 17th, That got a little bit confusing because Komoot always want to try to say I'm not allowed here, but I asked the police and they say I'm allowed here, and when I stick on the shoulder, and I hope there is a shoulder like that one, then there will be no problem. But I know it won't be that like that. So we will go in direction Ottawa. In some days I will reach Ottawa. That was a giant storm. Good morning, folks! Yesterday I made it to Deux Rivières at the river of Ottawa, I guess, Ottawa River, and I just catch the last tending place, and then I had to repair one hole, second hole, third hole, and put the wheel in again, and as I pumped up the other wheels, that wheel was flat again, so I had to get it out again and put it in again and put it in. And this morning I woke up and the other wheel in the trailer was flat as well. We wanted to get out and get in and get out and get in as well. And now I'm heading further on, and today it's only one big hill to climb. And there is not much sun today, so it's a beautiful combination. Thanks, a beautiful combination, a beautiful combination, a beautiful combination, a beautiful combination. Now I'm happy again. The sun is shining, and I could dry my tent in the sun, my dropping wet tent, and yeah, it's warm again, and I will go further on. I don't know where I will end up today. Another flat, another one, and now today I will go to Pembroke and further on, and I have to stop because there is a rumble strip coming on. I had the chance to be at a nice warm showers host as well, and I don't know what to say anymore. I went out of Pembroke and I follow another road, I don't know how they called, but not number 17, and now finally they have a shoulder. It was bumpy as hell and rumbling and blah. So I will go further on. I don't know where I will end up today, I will see. That was number 40, and now I headed off to number 21 to Beachburg. Provincial Park, after 158 kilometers. That was just too much. Today my legs are weak as butter. But I only have to go back to Ottawa. That's roughly about 50 k's. But around through the city is always a hassle to swerve around and here and stop signs and blah blah.